Hello everyone, my name's Al, and this is Metal Mining with CryptoCat. In this video we're going to be changing the CPU cooler. I was cleaning the computer last week and when I put it back together, the Prism RGB cooler decided to give up the ghost. The fan was just stuttering and it wouldn't go. So I had to makeshift a temporary CPU cooler. As you can see, it's cable tied on, just an old CPU cooler. But yeah, let's get into it and get it replaced, as I got a replacement here. Right, so first thing we need to do is cut all the cable ties. So there we go. Right, next thing, disconnect the CPU fan out of the CPU header. This is the replacement. With these, if you connect it up, obviously the RGB lights, you connect them there, so the tabs can pull off. The cable's connected though. And it's also worth noting there's a high and low. I run mine on high because I CPU mine. And then when these fit on, there's little lugs there. You decide to hold it and they sit in between gaps to there. They are a bit tricky to fit or to take off, they can be a bit of a nightmare. That's it. The header, and obviously got a little lined up with a clip, and it says CPU on the board. Yeah, it's connected. And got the two little cables. Also, those cables, they go into the bottom of the motherboard there. One of them goes into like the USB, JUSB, which is in this one, and JUSB 1, and then the other wire goes to JLED 1. So it's pretty straightforward to fit. It's the AMD RGB Prism cooler. If you like this sort of stuff, be sure to give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.